Yo, what's good everyone? My name is Alex, and this is a quick update video about the Ronin SC that I bought at release. The reason why I initially went for this gimbal is because of its lightweight, compact form factor, and it fits perfectly into my travel kit. I especially love using it paired with my Tamron 17 or 28, and most of that intro sequence you saw was shot with this combo. If you want to see more sample footage, I would encourage you to go check out my initial review that I'll link in the description below. Anyway, the Ronin SC was pretty good for a while, but not long after it started giving me some issues. The motors would randomly vibrate even if I'm not actively using the gimbal, throwing the gimbal into a standby mode where none of the motors would engage without restarting the gimbal. I had tried fixing it by rebalancing my camera or even recalibrating through the app, but eventually a software update did fix this problem, so I was really happy they pushed that out. However, I did experience a hardware issue that was pretty disappointing. As some of you may know, DJI is known for their active track technology in their drones, where the camera and the drone is able to follow and track their subject automatically as they're moving. I was super excited when they announced that this feature would come to the Ronin SC and was one of the main reasons why I picked it up over the competitors. Unfortunately, I only got to use it a handful of times before the phone mount broke. Now I know this isn't a vital feature that prevents me from using the gimbal. It's not like the motors failed or the battery died out of nowhere. But active track is a differentiating feature, and the fact that my $1,000 phone was strapped into the phone mount when it failed was really nerve-wracking. You can see that the adhesive came apart at the joint, and luckily I caught it before the pieces completely separated. I immediately contacted DJI support, and after a series of emails, they told me to send back the broken part for repairs. After a few more days, they said that it was covered under warranty and that they would ship me a new phone mount. While this entire thing did take around a week or two, at no point in this process did I have to pick up the phone, call someone, and try to really push my case. They were pretty communicative through email and everything seemed pretty automated. So now I have the new phone mount in hand, and hopefully this one doesn't break. It might be time to get a case for my Note 10 though. Here you can see some more sample footage that I shot with the Sony a7 III and my Tamron 17 to 28. As you can see, the panning is super smooth and all of these movements were done with just one hand, so it was relatively unstable. So while a part of this gimbal did end up breaking, I was still really happy with the way DJI support handled this situation. I've dealt with other companies who would just outright ignore you or blame user error. So in my experience, it's clear that DJI stands behind their product and reaffirms my decision to go with the Ronin SC over one of their other competitors. Just as a reminder, I am not sponsored by DJI whatsoever. I spent my own money to buy this gimbal because I needed a lightweight, compact gimbal for my travel kit. Hopefully this update video can help some of you guys make that decision between the Ronin SC and some of the other competitors that just came out. No matter what, a gimbal is just another tool in your kit to help you tell your story. So if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up, and if you want to support my channel, I would really appreciate it if you hit subscribe. I'm still a relatively new content creator, so any kind of engagement on my channel helps a lot. I hope to bring more of these videos to you guys. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Peace.